Hi, I'm Trent with L2L. Everyone knows the famous scene in I Love Lucy, where Lucy and Ethel package chocolates at a factory. Everything starts out okay, but when the line speeds up, all hell breaks loose. Without any information about what's happening on the production line, and no ability to communicate upstream or downstream of their station, the ladies are hopeless. They're stuck shoving chocolates in their hats and mouths to hide their scrap. While comical, this simple example illustrates the importance of visibility and problem-solving tools on the production line. It's for precisely this reason that L2L created our new operator portal. L2L's new operator portal gives line operators and plant managers complete visibility to their line and all other lines on the production floor. Using single sign-on, an operator can log into their line and see the current line status, current order details, and how many units have been built out of that order. The operator can also keep track of defects and defect type with AI-suggested codes. If an issue arises during production, operators can choose the proper solution. If a quick fix will get production up and running, the operator can make the fix and then document it with suggested duration, reason, and solution all included. Should a more complicated problem arise, the operator has the quick dispatch at their fingertips. Powered by AI, quick dispatches ask operators for critical information about the issue, with common answers displayed along the way. With this feature, operators can enlist the assistance of the proper technician quickly. With the visibility and problem-solving tools included in L2L's new operator portal, you'll never have to worry about a tidal wave of chocolates causing chaos on your shop floor.